Hi guys, this is the voice of Something Digital. In this video, I'm going to show you how I designed this stunning food brand flyer. Make sure you stick with me to the end of this video to get notified for any other video I dropped. So before we start, I'm going to open a new canvas. So I'll tap on it. I'll tap on this new text icon, then I'll go to delete icon. I'll tap on OK and delete it. Then after that, I'm going to go to this three dot icon on top here, then tap on my image size. Once I tapped on it, I will change the size of the canvas to 1280 by the height will be 1600. So I'll mark on OK. Then next, now I'll tap on this plus icon again, then go to my shapes. So I'm going to watch very well and see what I did here. So I'm going to increase the size of this square shape. Then I'll mark on good sign. Once I'm done with that, then I will move over to my color. I'll go to color, then enable it. I'm going to use a gradient to form the background of my design, and this was the background I used. This design I made it previously, so that is why it was still saved in this app automatically by Pixellab. So but I'm going to show you guys how I form this background. So I'm going to go to a fresh one. I'll select a fresh gradient template. So I'll tap on this one, then tap on this plus icon. I'll select on this fourth icon, counting from left hand side, 1 2 3 4. This one I'm tapping, this one on top here. So I will select it, then mark on this color here, mark on this head here, this black color here on top here, then go to this color icon, then I'll go down here, then I give it this color. So then once I'm done, I'll mark on the good side. Then the next thing I'm going to do, I'll tap on this side again, tap on that color again, then I'm going to give it a darker part. And how I form this darker part is by dragging this bar at the middle here, this one here, dragging it to the edge here. So I'll just drag it to this point, then mark on OK sign. So then mark on OK. So this is how I formed it. So then let's go back. So this is the background I'm going to be using. Then once I'm done, I'll mark on the good sign. Then I'm going to bring in a circle shape. So with the help of my shape icon, so I will bring it, then increase the size of this shape, this circle, then place it here. Then after that, then I'll mark on the good sign. The next thing I'm going to do, I'll go to texture, enable it. It will take me to my gallery. Then I'm going to pick the resources I used, the chicken image. So this is the chicken image I used. So I'm going to enable it, and I'll crop this shape to square shape. So I'll now crop out with the help of this this square here. I will use it and crop out the part I want it to be clear and appear on the circle. So I will put it at the middle like this, then mark on the good side. Then once I'm done with that, I'll mark on the good side. Okay, so can you see now? Then the next thing, I'm going to reduce it and give it the position of my choice. So I'm going to leave it like this. Then the next thing, I'm going to go to my stroke. I'll go to my stroke, enable it. So I'm going to give it a stroke width of 4. Then I'll leave it at white color, then mark on the good side. Then the next thing I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go to this plus icon, go to my text, then I'll type super. I'll type the word super, then mark on the good sign. So this is it. Then next thing, okay, but before that, let's bring in the design we made so that we design this thing faster. Sorry, design it faster. So I'll go to from gallery, then so this is the design. So I'll mark on it. So I will reduce it small. So I'll be looking at it. So next thing now, then I will go to my font. I will highlight this super text here, then go to my font. Then this is the font I use. This one they wrote Auto 1 regular. So this is the font I used. So I'll tap on it, mark on OK. So then I will increase the size of this text a bit. Then next thing, I will go to my text icon again. Then I will go and type delicious. Delicious. So I will make everything to be in capital letter. I will mark on the OK sign. Then come and place it under this super text here. I'll make sure that I use my finger and side and put it very well. So this is the delicious text. Now I'll go to my font again. Then I'll be using this text, sorry, this font here. I'm using this font. The name of the font is Capture. This one they wrote Capture It. This one. So there is the font I will be using. So I'll tap on it, mark on the OK sign, then increase the size a bit, then place it under the super. Then the next thing I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go to text again. I will use my text icon again. So I will type on food menu. I will type food menu. Food menu. So still put everything in uppercase, then reduce the size a bit, following the principle of hierarchy in the principle of design. So I will use this food menu, then go to my font again. Then this is the font I use. This one, this Abre fat face regular. So I will tap on it, then tap on what? My OK sign. So after doing this now, I'm done with the major text here. So I'll now go over to shape. Just watch very well and see what I did, guys. I'll go over to shape. I will use my finger and form this shape out of this square shape here. I will allow it like this, then mark on the good sign, enable it. I will reduce it a bit like this. Then with the help of my position, I will increase it. Then watch very well and see what I will do now. I will place it under this food menu. I will place it under this food menu. Remember, this is our guideline. This is the design I use for it. So it will help us to design fast. I don't want this video to be long. So that is why I brought in the design. So I will use it. Then can you see what I'm doing? Then I'll place it like this. Then once I'm done doing this now, the next thing I'm going to do, then I will now come and arrange this text properly. I will make it to align very well. I'll make it to align very well. I'll position every text here. I'll position it very well using the principle of hierarchy. This super should be bigger. I'll try to make everything to be good. Arrange it properly. So that is it. Then the next thing now after this, I'm going to bring this down small. Sorry. So okay. So this is it now. So next thing now, I'm going to give this delicious a color. So I'll be using an orange color on the text. So I'll go to my color. Then I'll look for orange. So this is the color I use, this particular one. This one after yellow. So after doing it, I'll mark on the good sign. Then next thing I'm going to do now, we are done with the upper part now. Then I'll go to my shape. Just watch very well and see how I brought in this shape that is like arrow pointing on this other noun text. So I went to shape, then go to this arrow here. Let me go back. Tap on this arrow here, then select this one. Then I reduced it a bit like this. Can you see what I did? Then come and place it like this. Do you see what I did? Come and place it this way. So after doing that, I'll mark on the good sign. Then I will go to my color and give it what? That same yellow color I gave to my delicious text. So I will look for it again. And this is it. So I'll enable it. Then the next thing now, I'm going to go to shape again. Then select circle. I'll reduce it. I want to form this place. I put my 50% off. So I will come and place it to this place, to this point. Then I'll go to color. Let me give this my circle shape that same color, but this time around the color is now going to be yellow. No, sorry, this one. Just the color before the orange we used in this one. So that is it. Then the next thing, I will go to my stroke. then give it a stroke. I'll give the stroke with 4, then enable it. Then the next thing I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go to my text again. I'll mark on it, then use 50% off on it. I'll type it 50% off. I'll make everything to be in capital letter. I'll mark on OK sign, then come here. With the help of my alignment, I want to use center align. So I'll tap on this alignment here. I'll tap on it, then mark on the good sign. I'll bring it here, then go to the font. I'll leave the color as white, then go to font. The font I use now is this one, this chunk 5, this one. So I'll tap on it, mark on OK sign, then I'll increase it. I'll increase the size of this text, increase it a bit, then place it at the middle of this circle. So once I'm done doing this now, the next thing now is what? To bring my other noun text, and by doing that, I'll go to my text icon, then tap on other noun, sorry, other noun, then make everything to be in capital letter, then bring it, do the same thing. I'm going to use the same center align icon I use in the 50% off. So I'll use it, then mark on the good sign. Then I will use that same font I used on the 50% off. So I will use this one, chunk 5, then mark on the OK sign. Then after doing that, I'm going to come and place it under this arrow like this. Can you see what I'm doing? I'll reduce the size. I'll make it to be smaller than this circle beside it. Then the next thing I'm going to do right now is I'm going to now come over to my plus icon again, then go to my gallery. So we bring in the Facebook and the WhatsApp icon. So I'll move over to my gallery, then I'll look for the location where it is in my phone. So see it here. Then I will come and crop out the Facebook icon, the part that has the Facebook icon. I'll crop it out. Watch very well and see what I'm doing. I'll mark on the OK sign, the good sign, then I'll reduce it. Then I will repeat the same method. In this time around now, I'm going to bring in the WhatsApp one, this one beside it. So I'll crop it out again, then mark on the good sign. Then after doing that now, I'm going to now use my finger and the help of my relative position and my position icon to place it very well. So and by doing so now, I'm going to bring it down this place. So I'll reduce the size a bit, then do the same thing in this one, place it under here. Then with the help of my position, then I will place it well. Then I will make sure that the size of the both icon are the same. So I'll go to my relative size, I'll make both of them to be 7, and this one again, I'll go to my relative size, I'll reduce it because it's more than, so I will make it to be in 7. Okay, this one is not the same, so I will make it to be proportional. So I'll leave it this way. Then next thing now, I'm going to use my position icon, then balance it very well, make it to be balanced. So after doing this now, the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to bring in the business name, which is Lizzie Kitchen, and the contact information. So by doing that, I'll move over to my text icon again, go to my text, I'll move over to it, then type Lizzie's Kitchen, then put this hyphen, this thing, this something like small dash here, then put it here, then type kitchen, then make everything to be in capital letter. Then I'll come and place it as the Facebook name, which is also the business name of the business owner. So this is his Facebook name. This is just a fictional flyer, it's not real, so I just did it to create a design sample. But in your own case, if your client comes or your customer, you now put the person's name here, then and also the person's phone number. So then the next thing, I'm going to go to my font. I'll go to my font. Then so this is the font I used. Let me show you guys. This is the font I used. This is the font. This is the font create round regular, this one. So I'll mark on the equal sign, then I'll come here. Instead of me repeating it from beginning, I'll just I'll just stop on OK, then copy this text, then I'll bring it under it, then I will edit on it because I want it to have the same text and also everything in it. So I will type the phone number. I'll just forge a phone number. In your own case, you can put the client phone number if you are designing it for a client or a customer. So let's use this as a phone number. So I'll mark on the good sign, then I'll come and place it under this WhatsApp icon. Then the next thing now is I'm going to give this my icon the color of the delicious text, so which is also that orange color. So I'll tap on it, then come over to this one, repeat the same process, then I'll come over to this one again. I'll give it this one. So once I'm done now, I'm almost done with this design. So the next thing I'm going to do right now, I'll make sure I go to my layer panel, make sure I lock all the elements I used for this design. I'll make sure I locked everything so that it will not shift. Then I'll come back. Then next thing now is what? Sorry, let me open this one. Let me unlock this one. Then the next thing I'm going to do right now is I'm going to bring in this line icon here I put at these two edges here in this design. So by doing that, see how I achieved that. I went to my text, then go to my edit, then go to this place. So this is how I did it. I did it 4 times. I'll make sure that the lines are equal. So I'll leave it 4 times, then mark on OK sign, then bring it, then go to my spacing icon, this line spacing, this one. So this is the one I'll be using. I'll drag it back to give it, I'll leave it at -33. So I'll mark on the good sign, then I'll come and place it here, then I'll go to copy, I'll come and copy it, then bring it down here. With the help of my relative position, I'm going to adjust it well. So I'll mark on the good sign. So after doing that now, so this is just the main thing I did for this design. Then I will now come and delete this sample. I'll delete it. So as you can see guys, I've achieved this wonderful and beautiful, stunning, captivating, attention grabbing, just call it anything. This is a beautiful flyer. Thank you so much for sticking with me to the end of this video. If you have any information or question, drop it on the comment section, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe so you can get notified for the video I drop. Thank you.